Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize ChatGPT with Google Sheets automation easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your Google Sheets document. Navigate to the Extensions tab in the menu. Select the option labeled Apps Script. This will open a new tab with the Google Apps Script Editor. In the editor, delete any existing code in the script file. Next, you will need to write a function to connect. Start by defining a new function using the keyword function. You can name your function something like authorize ChatGPT. Inside the function, use the URL fetch app service to send a request. To do this, create a variable to hold your API endpoint URL. For ChatGPT, the URL will typically be something like https://api.openai.com/v1/chat/completions. Next, create a variable. You can find your API key from the OpenAI platform. Be sure to keep this key secure and private. Now it's time to set up the HTTP request options. Create an object to define your options, including the method, headers, and payload. Set the method to post for sending a ChatGPT request. In the headers, include your authorization as bearer followed by your API key. For the payload, structure your request in the required JSON format. You may need to specify parameters like the model and the input prompt. Once your request options are set, use URL fetch app.fetch to send the request. Store the response in a variable to capture the result. Next, parse the JSON response to extract the text generated by ChatGPT. You can do this using json.parse. Finally, return the generated text as the output of your function. To test this function, you can run it directly from the app script editor. Check for any errors that may arise during execution. After successful execution, you can use the result directly in your Google Sheets. To implement this, you can create a custom function. Now, save your project and name it appropriately. Once saved, go back to your Google Sheets. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.